This is my varsity volleyball team. I'm really excited to be coaching this year. It's been a dream of mine to coach at the school I teach at, so I was really excited for this opportunity. All right, so let's start with my sophomore, and it's Gabby Combs. All right, my juniors, I have Lauren Michael, Olivia Brault, Alexandra Cherney, Janelle DeClerc, Nicole Waterman, and Sarah Donovan. And then my seniors in the heart of my team, I have Megan Washa, I have Emily Buckaloo, sorry, I never call her Emily, it was weird, okay. And then I have Madison Lynch. We are 12-3 so far, and most of our games have been in tournaments. Our next tournament is the Mount Morris tournament. I'm using quotes because it's at Bendel High School. I know it's weird, but it's at 9 a.m. this Saturday, and we'd love for you to come out and support us. So, thank you.
Good luck this weekend, ladies. Next, we have the varsity football.